Working with this approach, we can remove or not the soft tissues, and we can also work with transparency. We can use a layer of transparency of soft tissues in order to see the abutment below the soft tissue in order to work properly. Otherwise, without this double scan, a technician would very likely put the finish line just in the more cervical part of the abutment. The biggest mistake that happens with vertical preparations is always with the interproximal areas. Most of the problems when you have a problem of inflammation on soft tissues is because the interproximal margin of the crown is too deep. Especially in the areas where the tissues are more important, like in the anteriors. Where soft tissues are more flat, like in the posterior, it happens slightly less. But in anterior areas, this is very frequent as a mistake. For example, here you see so Exocad automatically is going to place a line over the finish line. You see here in an automatic way that Exocad is going in a bad way, in a wrong way. And so Emanuele prefers always to use a manual mode in order to create this finish line.